All right, this is how we install the dryer flex sleeve onto a dryer flex made by Innovate Products. You want to make a nice clean cut with a knife or scissors, and then you want to also cut the inner wire, helical wire that holds it all together, kind of like a slinky. All right, so we start with that wire needs to start on this side of the dryer flex sleeve, and we squeeze it a little bit if we need to get it to go inside, but this is pretty big. We start it right like that. Then we're going to start twisting it in a counterclockwise motion and making sure that everything gets inside the sleeve like so. And just keep turning it until we catch the rivet on the inside and you see the foil at the bottom of the sleeve. We just keep turning it until we get it all the way on, and it looks like it is. There it is. So that's on. That one's on. And then here we can adjust this a little bit. All right. So that is completely on. And then you're going to install it onto the dryer. So that's how the flex sleeve. The key is probably a clean edge, and that's how we do it. Here we have the dryer flex sleeve installed on the dryer flex. Now we're going to install it on the dryer. This is a standard dryer. You're going to slide it on. You can actually, what a nice thing about this is you don't have to have it on very far. You can put it on like a half an inch and tighten that guy up. I'm using a straight blade just for demonstration purposes. You can do a 5/16 or Phillips head, 5/16 nut driver or Phillips head on this. And you want to tighten it tight. There you go. The flex sleeve installed.